Aloha Hawaii friends, welcome back to my channel. Oahu is known for its beaches and hikes, but it's also known for its food, and today we're going to show you 7 foods you don't want to miss trying on Oahu. Number 1, Loco Moco. A hamburger patty with gravy topped with a fried egg, all served on a bed of rice. You can best find Moco Loco at the Rainbow Drive-In. There's 3 locations on Oahu, or the Highway Inn in Kaka'ako, which is very close to Waikiki. Number 2, garlic shrimp. You can find the best plate of garlic shrimp ever on the North Shore of Oahu at Giovanni's Shrimp Truck. And lucky for us, there's a new location coming in March to Kaka'ako. Currently, you can find Giovanni's in Haleiwa and Kahuku on the North Shore. Number 3, Spam. No, not that kind of Spam. This Spam, and one of the favorites is Spam Musubi. You won't believe where you can find the best Spam Musubi, either at the ABC store or 7-Eleven, and they're all over the island. Here's a popular breakfast dish found everywhere, Spam and eggs.
I get you Spam and eggs. Nick, I need Spam and eggs.
For a sit-down breakfast of Spam and eggs, go to Eggs and Things, and it's 3 locations in Honolulu, or at McDonald's for a quick bite to eat. Number 4, malasadas. Once you try these delicious Portuguese donuts, you will never look at a regular donut the same way again. The best malasadas can be found at Leonard's Bakery on Kapuhulu in Honolulu. There are also multiple food truck locations, so you can enjoy a Leonard's malasadas when you're out and about. Number 5, shave ice. Whether you add ice cream to the bottom or a snow cap on the top, what could be better than a nice delicious shave ice on a hot day? There are so many delicious places to get a good shave ice on the island, but my personal favorites are Matsumoto's in Haleiwa and Island Snow in Kailua. Both equally great. Number 6, poke. Here's another staple that's so delicious and popular with local tourists alike, poke bowls. You can find the most delicious poke from Foodland, located across the island. Number 7, acai bowls. You can find a good acai bowl anywhere on the island, but there's a few places where you can find a great acai bowl. Here's one of them. It's called the Sunrise Shack. Pretty famous on Instagram. There's one in Waikiki and there's one on the North Shore. Excellent. Another fan favorite for a great acai bowl is Haleiwa Bowls in Haleiwa on the North Shore. I 10 out of 10 recommend. Oahu is such a great melting pot of cultures, and I think that's what makes it such a great food place. If you're new to Hawaii, I hope this video helped get you off to a good start in trying some of the local foods that you might not be able to find everywhere else. Now, if you've already been to Hawaii and you've tried all of these before, send me some more recommendations. I would love to try something new. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you could like and subscribe, you would really be helping my small channel grow. Thank you so much and have a good one.